Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Tron price protection, Tron price update, what's going on. Let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of TRX in the market is about 0.09043 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Tron. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of TRX on negative 1.47%, changes occur in the TRX just in last one day, guys. As you can see here, yesterday a very massive jumps occur by TRX, but unfortunately now in the latest situation you can see here that the price again going down, guys. As I predicated in my previous videos, so again I'm telling you guys that don't worry about these kind of negative changes. That is temporary changes, guys. After some period of time these changes will become positive, guys. So you need just to hold, guys. If you hold, so now possibilities in the future that the price of TRX will pump, and absolutely if you hold for a long time, so obviously TRX have to jump in a long time period, guys. So that's why, guys, I suggest for all of you, please hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, so absolutely you will get a huge profit. But if you decide to sell now, so you get lost, guys, because in a right now situation TRX is in the negative mode, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.